Now let's see a problem on the time speed distance based on race. Okay, in this question it is given that A wins by 19 seconds in a race of 1000 meter if he gives a start of 40 meters to B. Okay, in the second situation, in the same race, A gives a B start of 30 seconds, then B wins by 40 meters. If A gives 30 second start to B, then B wins by 40 meters. But if A gives a start of 19 seconds, he loses by 40 meters. Okay, let's try to do it. But before that, let's understand the basics of the time speed distance, very related to this particular problem. Okay, the basic definition of speed is distance per unit time. So this is the only formula that we need to remember in time speed distance. All others can be derived from this basic fundamental definition of the speed. So we can write distance is equal to speed into time. Okay, so if speed is kept constant, then we can write distance is proportional to time. Okay, or time is proportional to distance. Okay, we can also write t1 for a distance d1. If it takes time d1, we can write t1 by d1 is equal to t2 by d2, or we can write t2 is equal to d2 by d1 into t1. Okay, this particular thing we'll use in the question so that we can solve it very easily. Okay, what is asked in the question is what is the time taken by the B to run 5 kilometers. So let's start from the case where B finishes 1000 meters race. So in the first case, B was given a start of 40 meters, so B has completed only 960 meters. So let's take the second case where B completes the race and win by 40 meters. So B has completed 1000 meters. Okay, let's assume he has taken time t. I am taking t for B because he has asked in the question for B how much time B will take to run the 5 kilometers. If we find the value of t for 1000 meters, just multiply with it 5, then we'll get the answer. Okay, B has taken t time to complete 1000 meter race. Okay, B wins by 40 meters. That means A is completed only 960 meters. This is 40. Okay, the time taken by A is 30 seconds less than the B. So this is t minus 30. Okay, let's come to the first case where A finishes the race and B lags behind by 40 meters. So A has completed 1000 meters. B has completed only 960 meters. Okay. A has taken t minus 30 seconds to 960 meters. A t minus 30 seconds for 960 meters. So for 1000 meters, he will take 9 t minus 30 into 1000 by 960. This is based on the things we have discussed in the previous slide. So t minus 30 into 25 by 24. Okay, this is the time taken by A to complete 1000 meters. So I will write it here, t minus 30 into 25 by 24. Similarly for B, he has taken t seconds for 1000 meters. So for 960 meters, he will take 960 by 1000 into t, that is 24 by 25 t. This time is 24 by 25. Okay, as per the question, it is said that it is given that A wins by 19 seconds. So this should be more than 19 seconds more than this time. So I will write it. T minus 30 plus 19 is equal to T into 24 by 25. So if I take T on the left side, we'll get 25 by 24 minus 24 by 25 is equal to 30 into 25 by 24 minus 19. So T into this will be 25 square minus 24. So A minus B into A plus B, if we do that, 25 minus 24 into 25 plus 24, that is 49 by 24 into 25 is equal to 30 into 25 750 minus 19 into 24 is 24 into 20 is 480. 480 minus 19, 480 minus 24, that is 456 by 24. 750 minus 456 is comes as 49294 by 24. So if we cancel out 49 6 times 24 24, T is equal to 25 into 6, that is 150 seconds. So for 5 kilometers he requires 150 into 5. Okay, if we need to convert it into minutes, by 60 minutes, that is 3 5s 3 2s, 12.5 seconds. Thank you.